Goot का manual RX-802AS. Envelope, extra soldering bits we have purchased, not included in this package. These are purchased separately. Pen holders for this Goot soldering station RX-80AS. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 pins and one this ground. Electrostatic and silicone material, heat resistant. Even if you touch the soldering tip on this wire, it will not be affected. This is soldering stand, ST22. This space is for soldering tips and you can place it like this. This is brass wool and this is soaking pad for cleaning the tip. The original RX-802AS. AS means antistatic. You can open this for setting, temperature up down, digital display, 3-digit display, heat, sleep, both functions. When we read the manual, we will understand in much better way. You can see soldering station RX-802 anti-static 220 volt 80 watt 50/60 Hz. It can operate on 50 and 60 Hz and version 4. Different versions are available in market because this is the latest one and version 4 is available now. Taiyo Electric Industrial Company Limited, made in Japan. And these are the precautions. On off button, beautiful and reliable system. This is the plug. So we are going to attach this RX-80 HRT.8D. In fact, all the tips for this pen start from RX-80 HRT. So we are going to install this tip. It is a pointed you have to check this flat side and also you can check this flat side. So like this we have to insert.